Hi all. So today I will be showing you how to get a free account, how to get a Microsoft Fabric free account. You will get a 60 days trial account. So let me just show you quickly. So let me just go to my browser. I have already opened two tabs. First one is for a mail, and the second is for signing into Fabric. I'll just show you like how to navigate to get to these links. So just type it temp mail ID because this we need because you cannot get free account using your Gmail or Yahoo or any other personal email ID. So you need this temporary mail ID which will act as a corporate email ID. So basically you that's how you have to navigate. So once you get to this email ID, you just copy it, open a new tab, then go to both the links I'll be adding in my description. So don't worry about that. So once you load the Fabric page, you will get this kind of screen. So you just have to enter your whatever you got, this email ID. You have to enter it here. Then click on submit. Once you click submit, you will get this kind of page. So you have to select I got it from my organization. Then click next. You have to enter your name, surname, and country, region, phone number, and all. Okay. So I'll just enter it quickly. You will get a verification code to this email ID. You just have to go here. When you go down, you will see a mail has been received. Just click on that. You will see this verification code. You have to put this one into this one. So it is 594921. Once you added the code, check this box, click next. Once done, you will get a message saying thanks for signing up for Microsoft Fabric. Your username is this. Note it down somewhere else, like in your notepad or something, somewhere, so that later you can sign in with this account. Click get started. Also, remember your password. So you will get this kind of page. Just click on ask later. Then it's upon you, like you want to stay signed in or something. So just select as per your preference. So this is the home page of Microsoft Fabric. After this, what you have to do is click on this icon, this profile icon. Here you will see a start trial icon. Click start trial. You will see upgrade to free Microsoft trial. Just click on start trial again. You will see a message successfully upgraded to Microsoft Fabric. We prepared a Fabric trial capacity for you. So as you know, like I'm assuming like you all know like what is Microsoft Fabric. So you need a Fabric trial capacity or license to use it. a trial account or a fabric capacity. So here we have, you will get a trial capacity. Click on fabric homepage. Just go again to this profile icon, you will see 59 days left. So that's how like you get your free trial account. You can do whatever you want to explore here. You can learn, you can do POC, you can create pipelines, you can create data factory, Power BI, then all those stuffs what a data engineer person does. So let's suppose if I want to create a workspace, I'll go to any of the tab. uh, let's suppose for fabric you need to create a workspace. First click new workspace, give your name, testing fabric. Then in advanced, go to advanced. Whenever, so note down, like whenever you create a new workspace, you have to click trial. License mode, you have to click trial. So once done, click on apply. So yeah, this is your workspace. You can create anything from here, like whatever are present, like lakehouse, notebooks, warehouse, data pipeline, all those stuffs. Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks. That's it.